Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs. So this is very simple, so follow my steps. First, in order to add page numbers in Google Docs, you will have to go right here to this insert button, so click on it. This will open up this menu where you can see all of these tabs. You will have to go down here where you can see page elements, and then again down until you see page numbers. Now here you can choose from these templates. You can choose your page numbers to be in the top right corner or bottom right corner, and also you can start counting your pages from the second page if you want. You have more options down here and page count down here. So if you click on more options, you can choose the position of your page numbers, so let's say header or footer. You can also select this checkbox if you want to show on first page your page number. And you can also start at if you want, like so, or you can continue from previous section. Press apply, and now as you can see your page numbers are here. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.